Assalamualaikum, good morning guys. I want to introduce myself. My name is Ratnaningsi. You can call me Ratna. I am from a nursing student at Indramayu College of Sciences 6B. In here, I am as the leader of blood type group. There are my friends is Intania Indriani, Intan Agustiani, Fahrul Roji Ishak, and Horisya Maftuhatul Jannah. And I'm here. I will explain my materials about characteristic blood type O and characteristic blood type AB. Do you know about characteristic blood type O and characteristic blood type AB? Okay, let me explain about characteristic blood type O.
First of all, let's read basmalah together. Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahrul Roji. You can call me Fahrul. I am from Indramayu because I want to explain about the definition of blood type and what the blood type it is. Blood type is the classification of blood from a person based on the presence or absence of antigen inserted on the surface of the blood cell membrane. The two most important types of blood classification are A, B, O, and rhesus. Benefits of gold dust. Number 1. For blood transfusions or often called blood donor, important requirement for donating blood or receiving blood transfusion. Number 2. To prevent complication of transfusion, that is receiving blood that is incompatible with your blood type can cause blood clots and complications that can be fatal to the body. Symptoms of blood group mismatch in the process of blood transfusion are fever, cold, nausea, yellowing of the skin and eyes, chest, stomach, back pain, blood in the urine, and shortness of breath. Number 3. This is also important for pregnant women. Examination of blood type is also important for pregnant women and the fetus. They contain if the mother and fetus have different risks, then potentially endangering the fetus. Maybe that's all I'm saying, more or less of the guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahrul Roji Ishak. You can call me Fahrul. I would like to describe about the system IBO. According to the IBO system, human blood is divided for introgroup, namely understanding of agglutinogen and agglutinin is what underlies the technique of blood transfusion. In blood transfusion, people who give blood are called donors. Those who recipient are called recipient. This blood transfusion must pay attention the problem of agglutinins, because if there is incompatibility in blood group, it will cause blood agglutination and can cause death of recipient.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Agustiani. You can call me Intan. I am from nursing student Indramayu College. I intend to give explanation about the blood type rhesus or AB. Apart from the ABO system, this rhesus blood group also classifies a person's blood based on the presence of certain antigen in the blood. To classify blood based on rhesus is called D antigen. Simply put, if the person has D antigen in his blood, he is Rh positive. Conversely, if someone does not have D antigen, they are Rh negative. Rhesus factor is a type of antigen present in red blood cell. If the blood has an RH factor, then it is said to be a positive rhesus. And if it does not have an RH factor, then it is said to be a negative factor. People who have RH negative can donate blood to people who have RH negative and positive status. Donor with RH positive can only give their blood to people with RH positive status. Thank you for watching my video or my presentation, and I hope my presentation is beneficial for you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello my friend, my name is Intani Indriani, you can call me Intan. I am a nursing student from Indramayu College of Health Science and I am a member of the blood type group. Now, I want to explain about blood type check. Before going to blood type check, I will to mention about tools and material blood type. That is blood type card, blood lancet, autoclick or lancing device, toothpick, alcohol swab, anti-eye serum, anti-B serum, anti-AB serum, and anti-D serum or rhesus. Will I to mention about step-by-step blood type check. Okay, my friend. Number 1, step-by-step blood type check. Okay, that is, don't forget to use glove. Number 2. Take a blood lancet attached to autoclick or lancing device. That is. Number 3, check the patient finger and disinfectant one finger the patient. For example, my is patient. And okay, my friend, that's hand